Well folks, back again making the videos. This is the video that is live on Local Women Magazine. So it's called The Clover Club, and it includes Tanqueray 10 or any London dry gin. I prefer Tanqueray 10, that's why I'm using it, but any London gin will do. This is Antica formula, just sugar syrup. I'm using a big wine bottle because we use that much of it. Raspberry puree. This is egg whites and fresh lemon. So let's get into it. So it's 40ml of your gin. Then 10ml Antica formula. 10ml sugar. 25ml fresh lime, or lemon, sorry. 20ml egg white. I know it sounds bad, but it doesn't taste like anything like eggs. It just gives it a good froth at the end of it. And then about 20 to 25ml raspberry puree. Because of the egg whites, you want to dry shake it, which is a shake without ice, just to incorporate all the ingredients together. So make sure you have a good seal in it. Because there's no ice, it doesn't hold together or tighten together, so just make sure you're holding it tight. Then add the ice to it. And then give it a good hard shake. Then double strain into your ice chilled coupe glass. Because of the froth, it'll sit in the shaker, just give it a tap inside and it'll come out. Then express some lemon over the top to give it a nice scent. And then garnish with a raspberry and a mint. And there you go folks, the Clover Club. Enjoy.